Very, very warm welcome to everybody and a very, very good morning. So it's a wonderful morning and we are all geared up for Sanduk, the online edition. It's so nice to see so many happy faces here. Just yearning to go and go to shop at Sanduk, the online exhibition. I would now request our club president, Pranay, to please take over.
Could we start with our Sanduk AV, please?
Yeah,
A
sure.
short presentation on our exhibition.
Yeah, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Music, Manish. The audio is not coming.
Okay, let me retry.
आ रहा है ऑडियो आ रहा है
आ रहा है ना?
ऑडियो इज
Okay.
परफेक्ट
Oh, okay. Wait.
Audio is good.
Good morning, everyone. जो अपनी कदमों के काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं वही अक्सर मंजिल पर पहुंचते हैं. I, along with my wife Neena Agarwal, welcome you today all to the Sanduk online exhibition inauguration today. I welcome Rotary International President 2122 Shekhar Da and Rashi Bhavi, Chief Guest Usha Uthap ji, galaxy of fellow Rotarians, inner wheel members, Rotractors, Interactors, guests, sponsors, participants of Sanduk from all over India and beyond. Friends, it was an untraveled path that our team Sanduk, or as I say, my special Chabbis team, took to plan an exhibition during this pandemic, an online platform, and garnered more than 115 participants with 8 sponsors from more than 15 cities in India and beyond.
Wow.
I, on behalf of Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar, thank each and every participant and sponsor who instilled their confidence in us to deliver the online platform of Sanduk. Friends, we are on the brink of two big festivals of India, Durga Puja and Diwali, and no better time to host this great Sanduk, the online treasure trove and the festival of shopping. I invite you all to attend this exhibition, which is filled up of exciting and interesting breakout sessions of renowned speakers like Jay Madan and workshop by the famous Raj Mathani and Krutika Desai, and the most famous sari draper of India, Dolly Jain, today. Let's enjoy this festival of shopping online while sitting safe at home. I would like to specially thank Puran Poonam Surana ji of Surana Jewelers, who came forward and became the sponsor of our Sanduk online exhibition. I would also like to thank individually all our co-sponsors for their support. I would like to thank our chief advisors Shekhar Bhaiya and Rashi Bhabhi for instilling the confidence in our team that yes, this can be done, and planting the seed of hope during these trying times. Shekhar and Rashi Bhabhi, we shall always be indebted to you for your words of support and inspiration. Friends, I would like to thank our chairman Seema Sonthalia, along with her team of co-chairmen Seema Somani ji, convener Reena Bhandari ji, senior coordinator Rita Singh ji, and the entire special 26 team with my friend club secretary Rotarian Manish Biani, and technical team led by Aparna Biani, and creative team led by Jyoti Mahipal and Savita Kothari, who have worked tirelessly to set up the entire backup and the stalls and creatives. Friends, our Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar is doing this exhibition to raise funds for our many projects which are underway, and I would like you to join me in our journey and let us have a look at what our club does. Manish, can we have the AV please?
We have added smiles on many faces and were happy to get a lot of smiles in return. Rotary has indeed helped eradicate polio from India. Under our Healing Little Hearts program, we facilitate heart surgeries for these children, thereby curing them of congenital heart disease. Our vocational center has children from the Basti learning from our Rotaractors. For a decade now, we continue to add strength to the wings of needy school-going children as they take Udan, the flight to gain knowledge. Since 2017, we have converted 9 schools to happy schools, and they are worthy of a look to understand a complete transformation of the institution. In the short span of less than 5 years, we have installed about 126 e-learning equipments, and we shall continue to do so. To make sunshine visible in its brightness, we have our new eye hospital equipped with advanced facilities. Our skill development initiative has seen 45 participants completing the course. Project Urja caters to dialysis for the needy. More than 400 dialysis have already been carried out. We have continued to support our homeopathic clinic distributing free medicines and to conduct multiple dental camps, health checkup camps and eye checkup camps. Throughout the year, our city today knows one place to get blood in a crisis when most other options fail. At Mahanagar Bloodline, we arrange SOS donors. We have been doing good work in distributing nourishing food and giving tripti to the elderly in old age homes as well as to 1,000 school children every day for more than 3 years. Add to that our 5 water kiosks. Our Mahanagar Peace Park has enriched the city with oxygen. Grow and Save Trees, our GST project, has continued to add trees to our city. Our own endeavor of Swachh Bharat has seen more than 2,700 toilets being put up at remote villages over the last 3 years. Through this special box, with 52 items of most relevance to construct a temporary home for a family rendered homeless by disaster. We end with what we had started. While we have added some smiles, we were only too happy to get a lot many
go back in return.
Thank you very much. That was what our Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar has been doing for the last 30 years, and you are all now a partner to this. Thank you very much. I now invite our chairman, Seema Sonthalia ji, to share her remarks. Seema ji.
Thank you, Pranay ji. A very warm welcome to all the members of the Rotary Mahanagar, Innerville friends, sponsors, exhibitors, and guests from all over India and beyond. We feel both lucky and proud to host one of our most favorite events, Sandok. Though on a digital platform, we have got immense response from all over the country, which is reflected in the presence of 115 stalls from various cities like Hyderabad, Jaipur, Nepal, Mumbai, etc., and our own city, Kolkata. As a chairman of Sanduk, I feel proud to see the immense hard work put forward by the members to make this event a grand success. I'm sure the galore of jewelry, costume, fashion, lifestyle, furnishing, and home decor, and many more will not disappoint you. To inaugurate this event, we have amongst us our very beloved Srimati Usha Uttavji. Her name itself must have set you swaying. The others who will add to the excitement are the very famous Miss Alokananda Roy, Dolly Jain, who will steal your hearts with her elegant 6 yards. The Lady of Fortune Jai Madan, and Raj Mathani, which is Couture Jewels. The fragrance to this event is added by Mrs. Kruti Mistry by an elegant and blooming flower display. This is not all. The list is endless. We intend to make these 3 days exciting, memorable, and happening for you. So, my friends, without further ado, let the magic begin. Let us all get ready with our shopping bags and enter this magical world. Thank you so much. And we welcome all of you.
Thank you so much, Seema ji. I'm sure people will have a wonderful time shopping.
Yeah, sure.
I would now invite Rotary International President 21-22, our very own Shekhar Mehta and Rashi Bhabi to take over and take over the proceedings from here.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Take care,
morning.
all yours.
Manish, you said something.
No. Yeah, bhaiya.
Good morning, everyone. It's absolutely a privilege for both Rashi and me to be here with all of you. Today, I'll do less of talking and Rashi will do more. Because I remember about 30 years back, it was Rashi who started this concept of these exhibitions. And over these years, what? He, Arla, Kutha, Seema Sumani, initially, and there are many others who have joined, and I'm raised a few crores of rupees actually. Good to see that a younger team has now taken up, and I'm so happy. And just as much as Rashi, I know that younger people have taken this exhibition and on a different platform, different format altogether, which is absolutely a privilege. I can see it already turning into a success. My compliments to you, Pranay, for jumping into it. It's very important to take that first step. You and Nina have led from the front, and you couldn't have found better people to take this forward than Manish and Aparna. Or Aparna and Manish in that order. Always the lady does a better job than them. Except you know why the exception.
Can you?
So friends, I wish the exhibition all the very best. और क्या है जब उषा दी आ जाती है कोई प्रोग्राम इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए वो सक्सेसफुल ऐसे ही हो जाता है. So thank you, Usha ji, for adhering to my request. Wonderful to have you with us. I'm happy also to see that the district governor in Prabir Chatterjee is with us. Welcome, Prabir. I wonder if Rubena has joined. Welcome to both of you.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let us mute everybody. Somebody
Can
is
we
there.
please, for the
Mute
benefit
everyone.
of all, just please keep your
Okay. So, as I said today, I'm going to speak less. इसीलिए मेरे internet में भी problem है यहाँ पे. Rashi will do more of talking. But I was just saying, Usha ji, thank you so much for being here with us. With your presence, I'm sure the program is going to be a huge success. Guys, do all the very best, and to all the exhibitors, this is going to be an excellent opportunity for you not only to do business. Let me assure you that the monies that you have given for taking space here. The money that you've donated is going to make the lame to walk, blind to see, heal the sick. It will provide home to homeless. It's going to do excellent work because at Rotary Calcutta Mahanagar, mankind is our business and our product is service. So we'll keep serving with what you have put into this program, Sandhu. My compliments to the entire team, everyone who's worked very hard, Jyoti, leading with you and Seema and everybody else. I'm not naming each and every person, but heartiest congratulations to us. Over to you, Rashi.
Good morning, everyone. We still have 10 minutes to go before it is afternoon. So a very good morning to all of you. Friends, it's an overwhelming feeling for me to witness this first ever online exhibition Sanduk of my home club, Rotary Mahanagar. My compliments that in these challenging times, you have taken the challenge head on and chartered into a new unknown territory of virtual exhibition, booked 100 plus spaces, planned a portal with such excellence and professionalism as if it was nothing new. I can still go on and on. So much enthusiasm and positive energy is flowing into this team, whom we lovingly call the Special Chabbis, that one would feel left out if you are not there. That is the kind of bonhomie and camaraderie you all have created, and I feel so thrilled about it. Cheers to the leadership of President Pranay Neena, commitment and great efficiency of Secretary Manish and Aparna. It's worth emulating, friends. I really mean it what I am saying. Mahanagar, especially me, we are really proud of this awesome foursome. And friends, all these efforts of so many of us to bring sunshine into unknown lives by bringing eyesight back to the dark world of an old grandpa, by bringing childhood fun and frolic back into a child's life, by mending the hole in her art. And friends, the list goes on. On behalf of all of you, I would like to say that we at Mahanagar feel blessed and we thank the Almighty for making us His instruments in this selfless journey. Friends, wish all of you all the best, to all the participants from all over India and abroad, and visitors, do enjoy this unique shopping experience sitting in the comforts of your home. Good luck, stay safe, take care. Bingo.
Thank you,
It was
Rashi,
really-
for the wonderful word.
Thank you, Bobby.
I would now request our chief guest, Ushadi. Everybody is waiting for you to hear from you. So the floor is yours, Ushadi.
Thank you so much. Namaskar, namaskaram, sat sri akal, salam alaikum to each and every one of you. What a unique initiative. I just can't even believe that we're actually just about to get into Sanduk. It's just beautiful, so magical and literally mysterious to what is inside this Sanduk. You know, for me, the whole thing is very, very creative, and I really wish all of you all the very, very best. And I want to say thank you, of course, to Shekhar Ji Gupta for inviting me as always. I mean, for this wonderful Rotary Mahanagar. I don't know, you all do such a lot of good work. It's just fantastic, really amazing. And I feel very, very blessed that you'll think of calling me, because in any case, I want to be everywhere that you are, because I am part of the Rotary anyway. So I'd like to say congratulations to this young world that has opened up something like online shopping with Sanduk. I can't believe this. I mean, just at the time when everybody is getting so fed up of this wretched corona that has invaded us and, has brought the whole world down on its knees, I think it's fantastic that, one learns to overcome all these things and is going ahead, not just going, forging really strong ahead. So congratulations to all of you, and I can't wait to see the wonderful, wonderful shops that are there in the, I mean, this, what do you call them, stalls or shops or whatever. As far as I'm concerned, everybody's going to go on with their shopping, right? So congratulations to Sanduk, congratulations to each and every one of you for the amazing creativity that has been put onto this. Besides the creativity, it's the idea. And I think the whole world Iskayam is actually, living only because of an idea. And I think that idea is so fantastic. So with these few words, I'd like to say that, no matter what happens, I mean, even if there's a pandemic that has brought the whole world down to its knees and all of us have been staying at home, I haven't even stepped out not even out of the house from March 6th. March 7th, March 6th, I had my last show in Jodhpur, and then I got back. And then after that, I haven't been out of the house at all. So what a fantastic idea for everybody to just sit at home and go shopping. I think that's really, really lovely. And especially if the stalls and if all the products that are there are not too expensive. And, like all the exhibitions that I've been through, where the Rotary is involved, it's so priced so beautifully. Nothing is out of your reach, of anybody's reach. So it's lovely. People who think that everything that these kind of exhibitions are doing is only for the elite, I don't think so, actually. I want to say that in itself, it's beautiful and romantic and so fantastic, but it's meant for everybody, not just the rich or the very rich. It's also meant for ordinary middle class people like you and me. And I think that's what is so exciting, really, when you know that everything is affordable and if you like, you buy. That's it. So I'd like to say with that, with those few words, congratulations to all of you. And I know that whenever I go to inaugurate something like this, besides saying hello to all my friends, I like to sing you a song. Now you're not asking me, right? But I'm singing.
Oh, we're asking you.
What would you like
We
me to
can't,
sing for you?
we can't let you go without the song. I mean,
No, I don't want to go without a song.
yeah, so we really do
I don't want to go without a song because my next Zoom is waiting for me, but not without singing a song for you.
Yes.
So tell me, may I do a very, very optimistic song? It's something which you probably wouldn't have heard me singing. I mean, in our functions, because whenever I come to inaugurate all these exhibitions that we have, the India Hat and everything that has been happening in the ice skating rink whenever I go for the inauguration. Last minute, they say, not they, I mean, like today, I'm saying, please let me sing kind of thing. Everything is so difficult because I don't have the music with me and everything. But today, I'm going to sing you a song, which was actually an original done by A.R. Rahman.
Wow.
And it's a song which talks about optimism all the way through. There are people in this world who think of a glass that's half empty, but I've always thought of it as glass that's of half full. I've always thought of a door that's half open, not half closed. I've always looked at the brighter side of things, and I think Sanduk is showing us the way of how to go ahead in spite of all the hurdles that everybody has, or that we have to overcome. Because if we have to move on ahead, that's the only way, the digital platform. So here it is for all of you, a song which I think you'll like very much. And by the way, this is a song which A.R. Rahman said he wrote for me, actually, and he wanted me to sing it, but because of dates, something, and the film had to be released at a particular time, he just couldn't think of anybody else who would sing this song. And that's such a big compliment. He said that in Calcutta, actually. So I'd like to sing this song for everybody. And we hope you enjoy listening to it. Would you have preferred me to do an English song? I need to know.
We start with what you are going to sing now, Ushadi, and thereafter English, Hindi, Bangla, jo aap gaenge chalega.
My God.
You have a
So
number
this is
of
only an
languages.
inauguration.
Let me tell you guys, you ask her to sing in any language, Indian or foreign, she will give you a song.
Okay, let me just sing this song for you anyway. And after that, I'll see what we have to do. Okay. After that, I'll do you one more song and then we say bye bye because I have another. It's so, it's so strange to say, but it's so beautiful actually. There's no traffic jam, there's no nothing when you have to go to another show. So there are good things that the corona has given us actually. No traffic jams between shows. So here it is. I was just thinking maybe I should sing another song, yeah, because there's been already they've been sending me. Can you imagine from the Rotary? They've been sending me requests to sing. Oh, really? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Okay, क्या करें बताइए? इतने सारे requests. One would imagine I'm doing a show here, full show. But I mean, I'm happy to do a show for all of you, which I told Shekhar ji that I'd definitely do it for you. But only thing is, you have to give me enough notice, then I will definitely do it for you. Yeah. So this is a song which, as I said, A.R. Rahman wrote for me. So should I sing that or shall I just sing the English? You tell me. I'd be happy to do that. Whatever you say. Because for me, okay, let's go.
मेरा अनम्यूट रहा, हम बोल रहे जल्दी गाना सुन जाएगा। नहीं, हाँ नहीं अनम्यूट था।
₹23,000 के आसपास आपके पास है, $1 मिलियन के लिए और आपने टाइप करके रखे हैं और उस हिसाब से देखें तो लगभग ₹160 के आसपास।
You know what? I think everybody will have. Can you hear me? I think everybody needs to put their mics. You have to mute yourself, otherwise there'll be a lot of disturbances. So and the music really needs to come out, or it can only come out if that's the one problem with Zoom. We need to get the sound.
We'll just mute everyone, Usha, just a moment. Ushadi, you need to unmute yourself now. I've muted everyone else. Yeah, good.
ग्लास आधा खाली मैं बोलूं आधा भरा, मैं बोलूं कितना सारा तू बोले जरा जरा, मैं बोलूं दिन है तो तू बोले रात नहीं, बात तो वही है ना, बस वही बात नहीं, बात तो है बस ये कि मेरी बात बस जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। बदलेगी कभी, मैं सोचूं सब बदलता है, तू ना बदलेगी कभी, मैं सोचूं तू ही तू, मेरा कोई और नहीं, तू सोचे मैं हूँ तेरा, बस मेरा कोई और नहीं, कोई और हो या ना हो, तू है मैं हूँ बस, जाने तू ये जाने ना, माने तू ये माने ना, जाने तू ये जाने ना, माने तू ये माने ना.
As I said, you want to be positive, everything is at your feet. And if you don't want to be positive, there's no moving ahead at all. And so for Sanduk, that was so special, because I hope that everybody will agree with me that today, in today's day and age, when we stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and all the time obey. Just learn to wear your mask. Just let it become your second thing in life. Yeah. And I think that's the most important thing. And Sanduk is bringing us all closer together with social distancing. What more do we want? Okay, I'd also like, I hope all of you enjoyed it. There's the only one thing about Zoom and the new digital platform. You don't get the already, appreciation. But I know all of you are there and I know all of you love it, because if you weren't there for me, it would have been impossible for me to carry on my life. And thank God that you asked me to sing. So I'll do you one more song, which I hope all of you will like very much. It's I have about 10 requests on my phone. One is Senorita, which is a favorite of everybody. Do you want to listen to that?
Yes.
All right. Yes. It's a choice between Senorita and Darling. And is Doc Gandhi here?
He wants to be.
Yeah, I'm here.
Nipa, hi Nipa. Okay, so as I said, you have to tell me whether you want Senorita or Darling.
Darling.
Darling, what's happened to your voice?
How about Darling Senorita?
Darling.
आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो, डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, रुकना रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो, कैसे बहारा फिर जाने यारा, बुलबुल तो अभी इंतजार करने दो, डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. सॉरी तुझे संडे के दिन सहमत हुई, डार्लिंग, मिलना तेरा फजले खुदा रहमत हुई, डार्लिंग, सॉरी तुझे आते हुए सहमत हुई, डार्लिंग, मिलना तेरा फजले खुदा रहमत हुई. Hey darling, खादिम को दिल पे तो इख्तियार करने दो डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. डार्लिंग छोड़ो सर्रा शर्माने का ये कायदा, डार्लिंग हैरत भी है गैरत भी है क्या फायदा, डार्लिंग छोड़ो सर्रा शर्माने का ये कायदा, डार्लिंग हैरत भी है क्या फायदा, क्या फायदा. Hey darling, पब्लिक में सनसनी इकरार करने दो, डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, रुकना मुझको प्यार करने दो. कहते हैं बहारा चैन जाने यारा, बुलबुलों को भी इंतजार करने दो, डार्लिंग आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो, डार्लिंग. Oh, thank you so much. And enjoy yourselves today. Spend all your money, do lots of shopping, and remember, I'm there as well. Okay? Lovely. Have a great time. And thank you to Rotary Club Mahanagar as well, calling me. Thank you. Aloka Di, you're there over there. Alokananda. Okay. Otherwise, she said, why do you call me Di? Because I call you Di out of the respect that I have for you. I love you, Aloka. I hope you're there. Nipa, thank you all so much for calling me. And I hope all of you realize that I'm wearing orange as per your request. Yes.
Thank you, Usha ji.
God bless you. Thank you very much. And have a wonderful...
One second, Usha ji, you have to do the honors of inaugurating our show. That's not been done as yet. I would request you to declare the show open and then we play a small curtain raiser. I request somebody to please mute everyone once.
Yes.
I will.
Everyone is on mute. Usha ji, please unmute yourself.
No, Usha ji, please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you... Okay. So now, as the time has got near, we'd like to say officially that this wonderful Sanduk is inaugurated. Have a great time. Spend lots and lots of money, because remember, wherever the Rotary is concerned, it's always going, something or the other is going for charity, or is being done for charity. God bless you, Sanduk, and God bless you, everybody who's there.
I'll just play a small video.
Thank you, Usha ji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Usha ji.
Thank you so much. Bye,
Thank you,
everybody.
everyone.
Happy shopping.
Thank you, Shadi. Thank you very much.
God bless you. See you soon.
Yeah.